What if you could earn $500 a month without leaving your desk? We're breaking down the 5 AI-powered side hustles that freelancers and creators are actually making money from right now. Start with AI-writing tools like ChatGPT and Claude. Create blog posts, email sequences, and social content for businesses. Use tools like Jasper or Copy AI to speed up production. Charge 500 Taiwan per project. The key: add your expertise, don't just copy-paste AI output. Clients pay for quality and originality combined with AI efficiency. Midjourney and DALL-E are game changers for designers. Create Etsy listings, sell custom graphics, or offer design services to small businesses. You can generate unlimited designs or visits to small businesses. You can generate unlimited designs or minutes. We can generate unlimited design 50 tickets, $2,500. Shrikonder, the barrier to entry is low, but demand is incredibly high right now. Use ElevenLabs, Synthesia, or Google's iVoices to create voiceovers for YouTube videos, audiobooks, and commercials. Charge $100 per project. Creators desperately need fast, affordable voiceovers. You handle project management and delivery. I handles the heavy lifting. Biz sells beautifully once you build a client base. Combine ChatGPT with tools like ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign to build email sequences for clients. Many businesses struggle with email copy. You automate the writing, they get conversions. Offer monthly retainers of $300 $100. Recurring income is the holy grail of side hustles. Ostasaiwake a caners which high for some the dollars died bacos, often dollars die rose. Which is side hustle will you drop it in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for more money making tutorials.